My name is Sandra Spearman. I am a researcher at the Institute of Health Metrics and Evaluation. I work on the Global Burden of Disease report, and I work on modeling lead poisoning, WASH, which is water, sanitation, and hygiene, and household air pollution to determine from exposure all the way to health outcomes on the global, national, and subnational level. I came into TIFO with zero experience when it came to public health or human health risk assessment. I had very minimal experience with taking water samples, and that was about it. And what I loved was that even though I had essentially no experience with anything TIFO was doing, all I really had was some GIS and coding experience in R. They welcomed me in with open arms, and they answered all of my questions. The immersive research experience that was offered through TIFO really helped me to put context into what I was learning in the classroom. So a lot of what you learn in the classroom is essentially a lot of stats, a lot of different ways to perform research, a lot of numbers, but being able to go into the field and meet the people. These people are not just numbers. These people have a livelihood and have a family, and that really helped put into context that what we do matters and impacts people's lives, and that what I'm learning in the classroom I will be able to apply in the future to hopefully help improve these people's lives. With this experience with TIFO, seeing the human health risk assessment process and seeing how it did help people, essentially that helped me figure out I did want to work in public health, the intersection between public health and environmental science, and which launched me to what I'm doing now. And it's what I'm doing now is not quite as direct as TIFO, but we're still able to see the effects and see organizations be able to help those with the most need. I spent a month in Kyrgyzstan, and I do feel like that experience shaped who I am today. And I don't feel like you get that as much when you do not have that kind of experience. People don't always get to choose the situation they are in. It just helps you kind of see that not everyone lives your lifestyle. That's just another experience that I can recall on that helped shape me to who I am today, which I hope is a better person. I loved working with TIFO so much that I choose to volunteer now with TIFO, and I hope to continue doing that in the future and hope to be able to help them with future projects and with their continuing projects as well in Kyrgyzstan.